A Celsius scale is used to measure temperature. It's a hot, sunny day. The temperature has shot up to 40 degrees Celsius. Wow! It's raining. The weather has become so cool. The temperature has come down to 15 degrees Celsius. What would be the temperature now? How would the scale show it? 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of water. Since we have snow everywhere, the temperature is now below 0 degrees Celsius. This is shown as a negative number with a minus sign, like minus 10 degrees Celsius. Have you noticed the water scale in the dam water? It shows you the reading for the water level in the dam at any given time. Water is receding in the dam and water level is going below zero. What would be the water level below zero? The water level below zero is shown by negative numbers starting from -1, -2, and so on so forth. The car starts from its initial position, which we mark as 0. The car travels east 5 kilometers and then travels west 7 kilometers. The car went forward and then moved backwards in the same direction. How would you represent the distance of the car from the initial position? The car started from point 0 and moved 5 kilometers forward. Then it turned and started moving towards the same point from where it had started. After traveling for 5 kilometers, it comes at point 0 again. This is the same position from where the car had started. From this position, the car then continues to move backwards for an additional 2 kilometers. Looking at the picture, we can clearly see that the car is 2 kilometers from its original position. Sam and Jack love the seashore. Traveling in a balloon is Sam's favorite sport and Jack loves water diving. Sam's balloon is at a distance of 500 meters above sea level. Jack is diving and he is 1,100 meters below sea level. How would you represent the altitude of the balloon and the depth of the underwater diver? Sea level is marked as 0. Balloon is plus 500 meters from the sea level and the underwater diver is minus 1,100 meters from the sea level. Numbers less than 0 with a minus sign attached to the number are called negative numbers. We are very familiar with natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Including a 0 to natural numbers gives us the set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, we know that there are negative numbers like -3, -2, -1. When the negative numbers and the whole numbers are put together, the new collection of numbers is called integers. In this collection of integers 1, 2, 3 and so on are said to be positive integers, and -1, -2, -3 and so on are said to be negative integers. Let us turn the Celsius thermometer sideways. Does it resemble something that you know? This looks like a number line. Do you observe any pattern here? Just as the numbers at the bottom of the thermometer are smaller than those above them, numbers on a number line that are on the left are smaller than numbers to the right of them. So, on the number line, numbers on the right of 0 are positive and numbers on the left of 0 are negative. Let us try marking point 5 on the number line. The number line is divided into equal parts. So, to mark point 5 on the line, we move 5 points to the right. Let us try making point -3 on the number line. The number line is divided into equal parts. So, to mark point -3 on the line, we move 3 points to the left. In Jane's house, there is a flight of stairs which goes down in the basement. The same stairs go up till the terrace. From the ground floor, Jane climbs 3 steps. Mark this position as A. She now takes another 4 steps towards the terrace. Mark this position as B. Which of the two positions, A or B, is higher from the ground level? B is higher, so 7 is greater than 3. Jane forgot to pick up her jacket from the basement and turns back and starts climbing down. She reaches on the -2 step. Mark this position as C. Which of the two positions, C or B, is higher from the ground level? Looking at the picture, it is clear that position B is higher. So, 7 is greater than -2. Now, let us use a number line to find out if a given number is greater or less than the other. We know that on a number line, numbers to the right are greater than numbers on the left. So, 7 is greater than 3. 7 is also greater than -2 and 0 is greater than -2.